Hi Kinder friends, it's Miss Schmidt here. For science this week, we are going to learn about the 4 seasons. So there are 4 seasons through the year, and we're pretty lucky. We live in a place where we live in Minnesota. We actually get to experience all 4 seasons change. Because some places they only maybe have 2 seasons where they have a rainy season and a dry season, or maybe their winters aren't very chilly, they don't have snow, that kind of thing. So we're pretty lucky here. We get to experience all 4 seasons and all the weather that comes with all of them. So take a moment right now and see if you can think of the 4 seasons. We just this week officially went into a new season. There are 4. One of them might be winter. You remember winter. And after winter comes spring. And after spring is summer, which we just had. Summer, and that's when it's really hot and nice here. And then right now this week, it just kind of started to change into the season of fall. And another word for the season of fall is autumn. So you can use autumn or fall for those. So I'm going to read a book to you called A Tree for All Seasons. And it's by Robin Bernard. A Tree for All Seasons. Year after year, a maple tree changes from season to season. Take a close look at that. There we go. Same tree right there. In winter, the tree is bare. It looks dead, but it is alive. And well, many things are happening. Squirrels nap in a cozy tree hole. A little bird sits on a branch and calls its name, chickadee-dee-dee. Can you say that with me? That's the sound they make, chickadee-dee-dee. Look closely at this tree branch. The bumps at the tip are tiny buds. They will open into leaves when the weather gets warmer. As winter ends, nights are still cold, but days are getting warmer. It is perfect weather for farmers to collect sugar maple sap. The sap flows out of taps and into buckets. The sap has no color until it's boiled. Then it becomes dark, sweet maple syrup. What a treat for pancakes and waffles. So look at how it is clear when it comes out, and then they have to boil it, and then you can put it on your pancakes and waffles. Spring brings warmer weather. The leaf buds open. Soon the maple tree grows, floppy green flower tassels. Birds build their nests on the branches. Spring also brings rain showers. The tree's roots soak up water and carry it to all parts of the tree. Sunshine helps the tree make sap, which feeds the tree. Look at the veins in a leaf. Air, water, and sap all flow through them. So these are the veins on the leaf. And kind of like we have veins in our body that carry our blood, these veins on the leaves bring air, water, and sap to keep them alive. In summer, the maple tree is covered with dark green leaves. Fruit called samaras is growing on the tree. It makes a good meal for a chipmunk. Even on a hot summer day, you can find a cool place to play under a maple tree. In autumn, which is the season we are just turning into, the tree's leaves turn bright colors. As the leaves dry up, they change from green to yellow, red, and orange. Each day, more and more leaves fall. I've started to see some of the trees change like this. I'm doing this. Can you leave? Sorry. Autumn brings chilly days and nights. Bugs crawl under the tree's bark where they will sleep through the cold weather. Animals get ready for winter when food will be hard to find. Squirrels hide lots of nuts and seeds. If you play in the leaves, you'll hear crunch, scrunch, crunch. But don't worry about making noise. The maple tree won't wake up again until spring. So there we go, and here's the tree. I'm going to go to the beginning. Here's what the maple tree looks like in the winter, in the spring, just the little buds starting, and the summer, and autumn or fall. So what I'm going to have you do is, if you have a big piece of paper, or just any kind of piece of paper, or maybe 4 pieces of paper, whatever works for you, I'm going to have you draw 4 tree trunks. This is the tree trunk here. And then either you or someone at your house could help you write the 4 seasons. So it's winter, spring, summer, fall. And I put little arrows on mine because the seasons go in a circle. And so I'm just showing the direction. Winter always changes into spring. Spring always changes into summer. Summer to fall, fall to winter. And it just keeps going every year. So once you have this part done, then I would like you to make it look like the tree does during that season. So here I have winter, bare branches, spring, a nice little fresh green leaves, summer, starting to get the big old leaves, and then fall or autumn. So this is my poster of trees for all season. So that's what I'd like you to do. I'm also going to do a seesaw activity where you have to label a tree, which season it is, practicing your season words. So make one of these, take a picture, tell me about it, and I can't wait to see your tree for all seasons. All right, thanks. Bye.